One thing I've learned about getting older is that you just can't do the same things in your 40s and 50s that you did in your 20s and 30s and get the same results. So yeah, sure, you might be able to do those same things. You might be able to eat the same way that you did back then, and maybe you're moving your body basically the same. But if you're doing the same things, you're not necessarily even just standing still. You're probably moving backward, because what happens is our bodies get really, really efficient. And so that means that if you're doing the same workout day in and day out, your body gets really good at doing that. And you actually burn less calories and get less of a result doing that same workout. So yeah, it's still good to move your body, but you're just not getting the same result. And you might even notice this if you're eating exactly the same way, or you think you're eating the same way that you did when you were younger. And now you notice that you're gaining weight and you think, wait a second, I haven't changed how I'm eating. So why is this happening? And again, your body's getting really, really efficient. And what that means is that your metabolism as you get older actually slows down. So you tend to have, well, first of all, less muscle mass as you're getting older. What happens is you lose about 10% muscle mass per decade. And of course, that number can vary and it depends on activity. But if you're losing muscle mass and you're eating exactly the same, that means you're going to see the number on the scale go up. So if you're, trying to make some changes, if you want to feel better in your body and you think, wait a second, I'm doing the same things, why are these things not working? Then there has to be another way. And if you want some tips, you want to learn how to, live at your ideal weight, and learn some new things that you can do to feel better in your body. So whether it's living at your ideal weight or getting better sleep, having more energy, or a big one that a lot of people deal with as they get older. And this is both men and women, which is hot flashes. If you want to banish those hot flashes, then make sure to join me tomorrow, Wednesday, February 15th at noon Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific. And I'm going to share some of my hottest tips so that you can counter all those things. So you can have a new way of approaching this problem and maybe, shake things up a little bit so you can not only look better, but feel better in your body. So again, that is noon Eastern tomorrow, 9 a.m. Pacific. The workshop's called 3 Keys to Master Menopause, but it's not just about menopause. It's not just about, those hot flashes, although, we're going to talk about those things as well. It's really about feeling better in your body. It's about taking control. It's about figuring out a new way of feeling better in your body, no matter how many trips you've made around the sun, no matter how many birthday candles have been on your last cake. I know you want to feel better, and I want to feel better too. So I hope to see you there tomorrow. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out. I'm going to have all the details below, but if you can't find the link to sign up, make sure to send me a DM and I will get you all the information. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.